Hello YouTube watchers and possible eBay buyers. This is a Hunter Original 2nd Century ceiling fan from 1993, new in box. Here's the box for it. There's the camping and everything I did not use. Still in wrapping. Everything was put together very carefully, has to not scratch or mark up anything. This is a very nice, very hard to find fan. It's basically the modernized version of what that is, which is a Hunter Original. Either way, let's put it through its paces. First off, on low, so high, medium, low. She's a little hummy. I'm not surprised of it being in the box with this many years. Very nice, slow, aesthetic, low speed on these, as always. This one has the 5 or 4 blade attachment to the flywheel, so you can use 4 blades instead of 5 if you wanted to. Go ahead and go to medium. Medium's very functional. By the way, before I get too far ahead, this motor is rated for 2 amps. Moving good already. Let's go ahead and go into high speed. As you see, this thing moves a whole lot of air as I kick stuff on the floor. The blades are rosewood gloss on the bottom. It's oak wood on the other side. They're both gloss blades. This is a very, very pretty fan. Let's go ahead and do spin down. This fan is complete. It comes with all its parts. If it doesn't for sale. I did not use the oil tube, so it will come with the fan, so you can use the original oil for it. This fan is running with oil right now, though. I do have a Zoom Spout, which is a oil that's very similar, if not better, than Hunter Original oil. And man, that is a very classy ceiling fan. And these are made for, I think, 5 years, between 1990 and 1995. Not entirely sure, I have to look that up, but very well built ceiling fan. Cast iron motor housing, oil bath bearings, shaded pole motor. So if you want a very efficient, good looking, very classy ceiling fan, this is the fan for you. And it is reversible by the reverse switch. It does work. So I come up here and show you the wood grain gloss side. And there's the tag info. Either way. Thanks for watching.